Hello, hello, hello. I haven't done a video in a while. I went camping, had a hot weekend in a beautiful, lovely area. We were in a trailer camping and our air conditioning died, so we sweated profusely and took our cat with us too, so she was a little traumatized by the fans blowing everywhere and the noise from the windows being open, but we purchased a new freestanding air conditioner that I can use later on in my garage, and it helped a little bit, but we had a relaxing weekend in a beautiful place, and it's been about a week since I poured, so I'm ready to get pouring. I don't know about you, but when you haven't poured in a while, you just are chomping at the bit to pour again. And right now I'm just going to do some smaller canvases until I use up some paints. I have paint sitting over here that I have had for a few weeks. And if you notice, you can see the lump on the popsicle stick where the dried part has stuck to the popsicle stick, but it's still underneath. The paint is wet and it's still good. I've got brown. I've got a rusty brown, which is, more reddish brown. I've got this beautiful phthalo-cyanine green that is just gorgeous. I'm going to add a pinch more water to that one. So yeah, these have been stirred quite a bit, so I don't expect big cells. I may not get any cells because the paint has been here for so long. This is like Viridian green. I have some beautiful, I think it's Emperor's Gold from Deco Art. Got a little bit of a taupey sandy color. Weird color combinations, I know. And red. And that needs a little bit more water too. So again, these have been stirred quite a bit, and they've had OGX probably in them sitting for a few weeks, but I have stirred them quite a bit, so I do not expect big cells, but I expect cells. So I just wanted to try a different color combination from what I'm usually used to doing, which is rainbow colors, or like usually I put purple in about every pour I do. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, so I need at least 5 ounces of paint. This is an 8-ounce cup. So I'm just going to do a dirty pour just because they're always fun to do when you haven't done a pour in a while. And I'm going to put, I think, this beautiful phthalo-cyanine green in first because whatever goes in first comes out last. And then we're going to switch it up and do all the different colors. Put the rusty brown in, some of this Viridian. Now throw in a pop of that red. I have no idea what this is going to look like. But the fun is always in just experimenting. We'll put some tan in. It's kind of like a taupey color. We'll put the dark brown. I want gold again. I dripped, that's okay. I'm going to put red in again. And I want this luscious phthalo-cyanine green. You notice I'm putting the complementary contrast on the color wheel. So it can go to mud, but I'm kind of pouring some muddy colors in there, so we'll just kind of see what happens. I was trying to decide what kind of pour I wanted to do, like a flip cup, but I think I'm going to just do like an open tree ring. And then just swirl through. I don't typically do that. Today I am. Then I'm going to just pop the air bubbles. That's not really to get cells, because I tell you, with OGX, you're going to get cells. And as you can see, let me zoom in a little closer. This paint has sat for a couple of weeks, and I've stirred it and added water to it and stirred it again. So, and I'm still getting cells. But the brilliant part about OGX is if you just sit and wait a few minutes, just wait, things will grow on its own. I love this gold so much. I'm gonna trickle some of this gold in as well again. And then I'm going to go back through it with the color in the cup just so it's not solid. Just to give it some interest. I typically do not like to drip on my painting after it's come out of the cup, and I don't trickle over with color, but I did this time today. You can also blow on it with your breath. That will pop bubbles as well. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out. And the paints are a little bit on the thicker side. So I'm just kind of taking my time. You do not have to rush with the pour. You can take your time and be a little bit more intentional with it. So I'm basically just getting it to my 4 corners right now. And then I just want to decide what areas I want to tilt off. I think I'm going to go this way first. So now I'm going to let it go a little faster. So this is with stirring my paint more than I should have, and I still have really kind of large cells. So that OGX does the trick on the cells, let me tell you. So here is the finished pour. Almost has a Christmassy look to it. And I'm gonna try to let me turn that light off so there's not so much reflection. So the one area I don't care for is the cream color that kind of ended up in the middle. But kind of go over that. Okay, so this one I'm gonna call done, and if you enjoyed it, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and that means you liked the video. Also, if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a subscriber and you click on the bell in the bottom right corner, getting my hand down there, bottom right corner, bell there, that means you'll get notifications when I add new videos. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to check out the links below the video down under where it says show more. If you're on your computer or if you're on your mobile device, there's a down arrow. There's all kinds of links and you can check those out. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.